Imagine creating a fully realistic influencer that doesn't exist, complete with personality, voice, and social presence, without spending a dime. Today we're showing you exactly how. E-influencers are revolutionizing content creation. They don't need sleep, breaks, use them for consistent posting, 24/7 engagement, and risk-free marketing experiments. Whether you're a creator exploring new revenue streams or a marketer needing endless content, influencers offer unlimited potential. Let's unlock this power together. Start with Leonardo.AI photorealistic face generation using advanced diffusion models. Combine it with HeyGen for voice synthesis and natural animations. RunwayML adds motion and expressiveness. These three tools are completely free-tier compatible and produce influencer-grade results. Stack them together and you've got a complete personality ready for any platform. Your prompts determine quality. Use specifics: hyper-realistic female influencer, 25 years old, warm smile, natural lighting, professional makeup, studio backdrop. Add style modifiers like cinematic, 8K soft shadows, color graded. Iterate multiple times, test different ethnicities, expressions, and clothing. The better your prompt language, the more authentic your influencer appears to audiences. Create a character brief, name, niche, values, posting schedule, audiences. Curate a character brief, name, niche, values, others with free tools like 11 Labs maintain consistency, cross-post same style, tone, and aesthetic. Your influencer becomes believable through personality alignment and aesthetic. Your influencer. Subscribe for more AR and creator tools. Drop a comment telling us what niche influencer you'd create.